Okay, this is Sean. And this is Ace. Okay, Ace Burnell. Come here. What do you do? Come. Okay, you sit there beside Mom. Oh, you see your classmates. Oh, you look at them. Oh, they're sitting.
This is Ishan's first day in school. Toddler.
This is new also.
First day.
Okay.
He's so shy. He's so shy, but he's sitting. He's not crying. He's behave. He's doing behave.
You let him sit there on the side if he doesn't like the turn. Okay, doon siya. Gusto niya doon. Okay. This morning, we are going to learn new lesson. Okay.
They're all 11 in the class.
Lives there on top of the radio. Okay.
It's
Because
the teacher.
Starting today, we are going to learn about the plants and the flowers. Okay, give me the flowers. You see, we have flowers and we have.
He's really doing behave.
What are on top of the flowers?